I test a lot of skincare products that make a lot of promises, especially when it comes to helping with thinning skin, sagging skin, that crepiness on the face, jawline, and neck. But today I'm excited to tell you about a new formulation of a product I've tested before that works fabulously well. We're going to talk about that in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday. I hope everything is going great for you. I'm really excited to be doing this video today for two reasons. One, it's a product that I tested out in the past that's been reformulated and made even better, which rarely happens. It is a supercharged luxury level skincare product to help improve the texture, the tightness, crepiness, loose skin. It's a sculpting cream and it's by City Beauty, a brand new formulation that I've been testing out that's worked extremely well for me. It's called Advanced Action Sculpting Cream. Again, this is from City Beauty. And you all know that for me and for the channel, it's always all about ingredients and effectiveness over brand name and price. And I really do like this new formulation because it includes red algae. And red algae has been shown to be able to increase moisture levels in the upper layers of the skin and hold it there, keeping the skin looking and feeling much tighter. They also included Arctic kelp in this formulation. And Arctic kelp not only helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, it also helps protect your skin against environmental stress. They also included peptides in this formulation, and peptides, as we've talked about before, are amino acids that help the skin repair itself. They're actually the building blocks of collagen, and when applied to the surface of the skin, they too help to improve your skin's density, elasticity, again, holding moisture there and greatly improving the look of textured, crepey looking skin, especially on the upper chest and neck where a lot of folks have that issue. These are ingredients that are sustainable. The formula is vegan and cruelty-free, something that I know is important to a lot of you. And to get these skin de-aging benefits, you apply this cream twice a day, massaging it into the areas like the upper chest, the neck, and the face, and you will feel it start working to tighten up your skin right away. Completely correct in naming this Advanced Action Sculpting Cream. Now, I know City Beauty products, they're luxury, they can be a bit pricey. However, the really good news is that until February 20th, you can get this product for 50% off. As always, I will put a link down below in the video description box where you can go and read about this product, find out more about it, decide if it's right for you, and a code to use to save that 50%. Should any of you decide to use this product, please come back to this video and in the comments let us know how it works for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, I picked out a video for you to watch right here. Thank you guys so much for your support of my channel and watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.